Choosing the wrong air conditioner can create cooling regrets later. We compare 5 window air conditioners to make the right room size, feature priorities, and value decision easier before you buy. From compact options to larger cooling solutions, this countdown reveals which model earns the top spot without chasing features you may never use. At number 5, this Frigidaire option targets buyers wanting broader room coverage. Frigidaire 10,000 BTU window air conditioner. The biggest advantage here is the listed 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, designed for spaces up to 450 sq ft. This Frigidaire model adds a remote control, eco mode, 3 fan speeds, and auto restart for buyers who value flexible operation. It is best for shoppers whose room needs match those listed strengths. Skip it if you are looking for the exact advantage offered by a higher-ranked choice. With a 4.35 rating from 384 reviews, it remains a practical option for the right setup. Number 4 brings smart controls into the comparison for connected homes. DELLA 6000 BTU AC Unit. DELLA stands out by focusing on connected convenience with Wi-Fi smart controls, geolocation, and Alexa compatibility. Its listed cooling range reaches up to 250 sq ft, while the unit also includes a reusable filter, remote, dehumidifier, and fan functions. It is best for buyers whose priorities match those listed features and smart operation. Skip it if you need the specific advantage highlighted by another ranked model. With a 4.15 rating across 462 reviews, this choice fits shoppers comparing added control options. The smaller picks focus on simplicity and value, but the remaining choices reveal where extra features change the buying decision. Number 3 raises the stakes with a larger cooling approach and modern controls. Midea 12,000 BTU shaped window air conditioner. Midea's 12,000 BTU shaped window air conditioner focuses on buyers needing a larger listed cooling area of up to 550 sq ft. The U-shaped design, inverter control, open window flexibility, and Alexa and Google Assistant support make it different from simpler units. It is best for buyers whose needs align with these listed strengths. Skip it if you are searching for the exact advantage offered by a higher-ranked option. Rated 4.5/5 from 408 reviews, it is a strong consideration for feature-focused comparisons. Number 2 is the straightforward alternative for buyers prioritizing simplicity. Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool small window air conditioner. Midea's 5000 BTU EasyCool model focuses on easy operation with mechanical controls and a reusable filter. Designed for spaces up to 150 sq ft. It fits buyers comparing cooling for small bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. It is best for shoppers whose priorities differ from the overall winner, especially those wanting a simple alternative. Skip it if you want the easiest one-choice recommendation from this list. With a 4.45 rating from 12,139 reviews, it offers a practical balance of basic control and value. Number 1 earns the top spot by balancing everyday needs and dependable simplicity. Frigidaire 5000 BTU window-mounted air conditioner. Frigidaire takes the top position with a 5000 BTU window-mounted air conditioner built around straightforward everyday cooling. It is listed to cool up to 150 sq ft and includes quiet operation, effortless temperature control, 2 fan speeds, and auto restart. It is best for buyers who want the strongest all-round final choice. Skip it if a specific feature or lower current price matters more than the overall verdict. Supported by a 4.45 rating from 17,584 reviews, it is the most balanced pick in this comparison. The final decision rule is simple. Choose the Frigidaire top pick if you want the strongest overall balance, but consider other models when a specific room size or feature matters more. Check the current links before buying, and like and subscribe for more practical upgrades. Keep comparing for smarter home choices that last.